I know. God, I know, I'm sorry. What is going on, guys? I know I've been absent for like a week. It's been a minute since you've seen me, but I'm not gone. I'm still here, putting on the shades, bumping the Prius. Mr. Steel Girl. Ooh. For real, these are actually the camera guys' glasses right here, so we're gonna, yeah, there you go. We are back, guys. I know, I've kind of been missing for like a week or two or something like that, but we are back. And as you guys know, in my last video, we did a video to see if I can catch, you know, my PB bass, to see if we could get out there and we fished this lake on these kayaks right here and just tried to break a record. And we failed. And I actually have gone out and tried to film since then, but I'm gonna be honest with you, I didn't catch anything. So we are back, and today we are doing it totally different. If you guys know this company right here, my lo and behold supporter of this YouTube channel, Mystery Tackle Box. Yes, that's right, we got the, what month is it, August Mystery Tackle Box Pro right here. We're gonna go over this, and there is something inside here that I think, yes, I opened it up, I've already peeked, but there's something in here that I think is gonna get it done today. It's very hot, it's very windy. I mean, it's dog day hot. Like, it's, what, 93 degrees with like 80% humidity today. But I think we got the juice we need right here. So we're gonna go through this, take this bad boy, get in that lake, and give it a full send. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna check out what's in the box for this month. You guys know the deal. If you don't know what this is, it's basically just a monthly subscription tackle company where you guys pay like anywhere from 15 to like 50 bucks a month, and you guys will get boxes. They range for all different species, all different packages, and all kinds of stuff. If you guys want more information, follow my link down below. It's like mtb.com/TightlineTV. So we're gonna go ahead and check out everything we got. And there's one thing in here that I'm gonna use today, like specifically. Normally what we do is we do like a slam. We take every single lure in here and we'd go fish with it and try and catch a fish on it. But the pond that we're gonna be fishing today, it's got a lot of cover, and it's just not realistic to fish all these baits. So we're just gonna tell you what's inside. Going with number one, we got a $10 frog right here. This is a bleeding frog by Snag Proof Baits, I think that's what that is. But frog right there. We have a square bill crankbait, this guy right here. This guy ranges at $5.99. We have a hard hat jig, which is basically like kind of like a shaky football jig. We got this guy right here, and that ranges $2.25. We got, let's see, big bite baits. We got these little, like, they're like little swim baits. Little jerk minnows right here. It's dope bait. We got Rage Tail. Gotta love Rage Tail. They make like some of the best craws out there. But we got this guy, which is actually dope. I don't know what it is, but I just have like a thing for paddle tail baits. They're super dope. So this is the Rage Tail Twin Tail Menace Grub. Grubs are sick. Love it. Solid. Boom. Then we got, looks like a topwater popper right here by Baker Lures. That's a $7 popper right here. Last but not least, we got the thing that I'm gonna be using today, and that is Danny the Duck. This has been like a big thing in the fishing industry right now. Like Savage Gear makes them, Weston makes them. It's literally like a duck that you fish like a frog, and what better way to catch a big bass than, what's so funny, huh? Because it's called Danny the Duck. I got cameraman laughing over here, but yeah, for real guys, we got a duck, and we're gonna test this out today, because I think if the topwater bite is on, I think this will be the juice. So we're really gonna put the duck to the test today, and that's what we're gonna be focused on for this video. You guys always get stickers in the box, and this time, if you guys get the pro boxes, or I don't know if this is randomly, to be honest with you, I don't really know how this works, but we got a little scratch and win today, so we're gonna, you know, pull a little penny out of your ear and see what we won. I know my magic is great, but dude, I've never had one of these before. Actually, I've never got one of these in these boxes, so I don't know. Let's just scratch it and see what happens. Dun dun dun. If you guys go to Carl's Tackle, which by the way is a new website that Mystery Tackle Box just launched. It's called Carl's Bait and Tackle. It's basically what Mystery Tackle Box is now morphing into. Looks like I got 10% off anything at that store, along with free shipping. So if that's not enough bang for your buck, I think these boxes right here range at $25. We got like this amount right here. I can't do math. In baits, and yeah. So other than that, guys, thank you guys so much, Mystery Tackle Box, for supporting this channel. And today we're gonna put Danny the Duck to the test. So let's grab the kayak, and we are gonna head over to the pond. Oh, dude, you got it. It's a freaking giant. Dude, look at that. On the duck, dude. Dude, look how he ate that duck. So we're about to set foot, or set float, I should say, into the pond. We got Danny the duck here. We're gonna pop this guy open. From what I see, it's actually just kind of like a normal frog. It's set up the same way, which I actually have a lot of confidence behind this. So here we go. Here's what it looks like right here, guys. And yeah, it's got some little feet right here, like a frog would have, you know, their little, what do you call those, bristles or whatever? I don't know what they're called, but you know what I'm talking about. We got the hooks, you know, set up right in the back of the tail like you would a frog as well. Got some beefy hooks on there, that's nice. And then we got our hook up right here. So we're gonna tie this bad boy on and you know, hopefully catch it. You know, that'd be sweet, you know, to catch just like my PB bass on a duck. I don't know why, but I just have a weird feeling that like this is gonna do it. Like, just, I don't know, wouldn't it's not something I'd normally fish with. Oop, I don't know if that was supposed to happen. Oh, we're good, that's just the hook. But I don't know, duck's not really my first choice of things to fish with, but this is pretty BA, as the kids would say. So yeah, let's send it. I gotta stop quoting Nelk. People are gonna hate me for that. I don't care. Send it, boys! All right, so I apologize in advance, guys, that there's so much wind, dude. My cousin just likes to take advantage of me. That's my cousin Caleb, guys. There's like two people I always film with. It's my cousin and my buddy Mike. They're like my, you know, my A1 day ones. They got my back, you know, when the stuff is thick, when the stuff is thin, you know what I'm saying. I'm eating pizza in a kayak. I am. I admit it.
Right. Here comes the launches, OGs. Oh my god!
No! No way, dude.
Oh, good things on there, dude. But like that.
He literally just goes, here comes the launches, and get whaled. Oh my gosh. All right, we're testing out Danny the duck, y'all. We're just fooling around out here. You know how it goes, but we got the duck, and let's fire away. Well, that sure didn't take long.
That was the fastest one of my entire life.
Oh.
I was like, was that a blow up?
Yeah, it was.
I'm confused because like I wasn't sure.
Wow. First,
that was so subtle, dude.
That was so subtle. I just got bit on Danny the duck, guys. Well, I'll tell you right now. Oh my gosh. I just saw a bass blow up over a bluegill.
Dude, I heard that from over here.
I'm about to cast right over there. Come on. Oh, dude, he got it. It's a freaking giant. It's a freaking giant. Come on, come on, stay on. Dude, it's a freaking stud. Stay on, stay on, stay on, stay on, stay on. Dude! Oh my gosh! Look at that! On the duck, dude!
Dude, that's a toad.
Dude, look how he ate that duck. Oh!
That's a 4-pounder right there.
Oh, it's a 4-pounder right there. That's a 4-pounder if I had ever seen one. Dude, he came completely out of the water.
Dude,
I knew
I
it was
heard
Jim.
him from over there.
I saw a bass whale a bluegill, cast over there. My duck just gets hit completely out of the water. I mean, look at that, guys. That fish is every bit, I can guarantee you, 4 pounds. I mean, look at the girth on this thing. This thing is heavy to hold, and look how he ate that duck. Is that not crazy or what? I mean, look at that fish. That is amazing. All right, let me tear this real quick. All right. 4 pounds, 2 ounces. Told you. Not a 5 pounder, but definitely 4 pounds. 4 pounds, 2 ounces, boys and girls, and we're gonna let her go. That is a dope fish right there. The duck, dude. That thing had, that bass I just caught had the weight of a 4 pounder, but it didn't have the length. Right. Oh, dude, he bit its foot off. No wonder it's not swimming the same. I didn't even notice that. Well, guys, I didn't even notice because this was kind of swimming kind of weird. Well, but he actually bit the foot off. That bass bit the foot off of this bait. So, Mystery Tackle Box, you guys want to send me another one? I'll keep fishing it, but that kind of bums me out. This thing was sweet. Alrighty, guys. Unfortunately, I'm not feeling as confident with it missing this extra foot, so I want to do something even weirder. This isn't weird, but a lot of people do this, but I've never tried it before. We're going to try fishing a giant 12-inch worm instead of a baby duck. So we're just throwing big baits today. And we are going to see what happens. It's going to have to do, though. You need like a way bigger hook. There you go, guys. Here is the juice. A freaking snake of a worm. I honestly would keep fishing that duck if the foot didn't rip off. Oh, I missed it. That hook's not big enough. I'm gonna try and go back in there on it. I just got annihilated on the big worm. Missed the bite though. I'm gonna let him eat it a little more. Well, if I don't backlash. It really doesn't help when you have a 3/0 hook. This is like a typical hook you'd use for like a Cinco. Way too small for a 12-inch worm. There's one. Is he actually on? A little guy. On the big worm. He is friggin' digging. I can't tell if it's big or not. Oh, it's actually a pretty good sized bass. Oh, come here. Here's a 3 pounder. Oh. Oh. There you go, guys. On the 12-inch worm. Ooh. You know, I'm not mad about it. 2.5, 3 pounder. Wow, this one's got some sharp teeth. So unfortunately, we don't have the big camera anymore, guys. I'm sorry about that. And since I don't have the big camera with me and you guys want to see some cool releases or just the release in general, go over to Instagram, follow me at TightlineTV, and you guys will see the releases like this one right here. Alrighty, guys, so it wasn't a crazy day, but it was a quality day. We got out there and we ended up with like 2 fish, but heck, one was almost 4.5 pounds, which is crazy. I caught it on the baby duck, which I thought was going to be the juice today, and it was. The baby duck ended up breaking and we moved over to like a 12-inch worm. Totally, you know, tested just like different baits that I don't normally fish, and that was really cool. We got some quality fish out of that. So hey, that's gonna be it for today. We're still gonna continue this because I said I'm gonna make videos at this pond, not every day or every video, but periodically until we break my PB, because I know it's in there. It's gotta be. I've seen some gnarly fish in there, so it's a really cool pond to fish, and I'm lucky to have access to fish it. Other than that, huge shout out to Mystery Tackle Box. They're a big supporter of this channel. Guys, stay tuned. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button below, because next week I got a little surprise coming for you. We're doing a little collab thing with Mystery Tackle Box, and you know, just if you guys want to stay tuned on you know, what's to come, I'm not going to tell you just yet. You guys will find out in the next video, but stay tuned. So hit that subscribe button, and because next video is going to be exciting. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hey, we'll catch you in the next one.